All right, let's lock in. Let's lock in, twin. We two hours into the trading session. I'm late. Apple did exactly what I wanted it to do yesterday. NVDA, it looks like it's taking a little dive or 10. It's probably just going back to where it ended the day at yesterday. Amazon, not gonna lie, I ain't been watching it. This Apple low-key hurts my heart that I missed it. Because I knew it was gonna happen since yesterday. Tesla, I'm not gonna say I'm too surprised. But dang, bro, we just had a good day yesterday. I'm kind of on the fence right now. I don't really want to take anything because everything is kind of in a chop zone until a little further notice. Actually, I think I'm going to take a put on the S&P 500. That looks promising. We already broke the 10-day and the 20-day. All we got to do now is break the 250 and it's straight to the downside. And we way below VWAP. Yeah, let's go ahead and take some. And so this is kind of a risky point to be doing this because right now it's trying to reclaim the 20-day EMA. Just broke above it. See what we look like on the 10. Kind of the same struggle in a tighter story. You're trying to break that pink in between the blue and the green. We're trying to break the pink in between the blue and the green. Where's the blue? I'll lay it down there. This is chop. It's chop zone. Okay, I'm buying a put. That's tweaked. Okay, maybe I'm not buying a put. I'm not buying no put. Not buying a put. Accidentally bought a call. I did get the what was it? The 7.45. 1 to 7.45 put. Accidentally bought a call. And that bitch went right. That's too funny. That's not what I was intending. I mean, I was intending to make some, stay green with it, but that is not what I foresaw coming or happening. Good. See, that's what I was prepared for. That's what I wanted right there. That's what I was looking for. Y'all see that? Y'all see that break? You see that red candle falling? The red candle fell past the pink line. That's all I was looking for. That's what I was ready for. Now, the candle to fall below that pink line. Did I miss it? I kind of missed it. It's only $30 more than when I first saw it. I'm gonna buy a couple. I'm gonna buy 5. All right, we in 7.45 puts. Or we're not in yet. 7.40 puts. Let's see the price I got in at. I got in at 670. Have a good one, dog. I don't really like this teeter-totter. It's teeter-tottering. And yeah, I think I'm done. I'm done with this play for now. I'm about to go ahead and sell out, and I'm done with this play for now. Not because it's invalidated, but because it's bouncing. And I don't like to bounce. I don't like to chop. I don't play with that. So if Tesla breaks this pink line, it's gonna have a nice little flush down to the bottom. But it looks like it's not gonna do it. I don't think it's gonna do it. Nope. It touched it and now it's going back the other way. It is going back the other way. So be it. About to take a L. $17. Nothing crazy. But a $17 loss. I'm out. I'm not about to sit here and go back and forth with you. You got that seesaw chop shit happening. And I'm not here for it. And now I'm looking. Everything's kind of green. And not everything, but we got a decent amount of green. Maybe I need to switch up my shit. Never mind. Google's red. Meta's red. Baidu, Apple, Sony. Nah, we got some downside coming. Downside coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's just taking a second. Now that I glance a little deeper, but we don't leave the video alone. Let's see if we can get a breakout on the spot. We reclaim VWAP. That is the opposite of reclaiming VWAP right there. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. The dustiest has been fucking with us. All right, I'm about to buy the 772 calls. All right, so I bought the 772 calls. Right now, we're approaching this white line and this blue line. If we break this white line, I like that. And I have a good hope for us to break through this blue line. I got in at $1. Am I? Well, probably not. I probably was, but you probably forgot. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. The dustiest niggas been fucking with us. All right, got my order set for sale at 111, 112. What's going on? Get gone. I don't want you no more. Hey, when that happened, gang. Ooh, that candle was ugly. Quick little in and out action. Can we get in on the other side too? Because now we're going down. I'm yelling timber. Let's see if we get in on both sides. Nah, I'm away. Nah, I feel like it's gonna reject. I feel like we about to reject that hard. Let's see. Let's just see. All right, let's wait for the next candle. I'll be a little patient. Let's wait for the next candle. We only got 60 seconds because it might just continue going up. If it take another, nose dive, drippy down, I'm buying 772 puts. Yeah, I'm buying 772 puts. I'm only looking for a 10-cent move. Am I too late? Nope. I was early. Hate to see it. It got me. Got me caught up. I don't like that candle at all. I should have waited for that minute to close. Either that or I should have bought it as soon as I said it. If I would have bought it as soon as I said it, I would have got that extra little doom down. Let me see what my average price is. What is my price? 55 cents. All right, so right now we down 5 cents. There we go. That's what I want, that leg down. There we go. All right, slow and steady wins the race. That was nice. We got in on the upside and the downside, all within 10 minutes. And could have honestly possibly held. The only reason I didn't is because of the way that it just went up and down in that same little second there. All right, let's see. Let's see some damage on QQQ. We got a little bull flag forming here. Pluto shit make me sick to my stomach. We ain't never really been through it. Drizzy just been. I got so much Drake music just on my brain right now. I don't really. Actually, I guess I do know why. He's one of my favorite artists. And it's like for the better part of the last year or so, because they ain't really been rocking with the boy. Kenny did it to him. Yo, QQQ, that's a fire ass little takeoff right there. Let's see, did Spy just do the same thing? No, it didn't. Okay, thank you. Thank you for being an individual. Sometimes they just do the same thing. Let's see what USO got going on. Damn, do I want to get it? I don't want to get in QQQ right now. I'll just be chasing with that green candle right there. That little breaker, that is nice, gang. That is beautiful. Oh, I wish I would have been watching 3 minutes ago. I wish I would have watched this happen. Boom, that red line, and then that green come up, and then that, I would have caught this. I would have caught that motherfucker. Honestly, just watching this right here gives me hope that we about to come and reclaim this 724.50. Yeah, 724.50. I think I'm about to get in, gang. I think I want some. 725 calls. Yeah. Watch it just be just my luck that this is a big ass red candle right here. All right, so I'm in 725 call. 725 call QQQ. Up 69% right now, gang. Like that, in and out. In and out with it. Surgical. What was that, 60 seconds? In and out, 60 seconds. And then, look, we about to turn around and tag it for a put like we just did the SPY? Is that what we about to do? Nigga, don't be my language. I hit the weed too hard. 8-minute voicemail. 8-minute voice note. Came straight from the heart. SPY puts. Tag them boys again. Look like we about to get a little breakdown on VWAP. Okay. So actually, I'm going to just sit on my hands real quick because right now we're in between this white line and in between this blue line. And depending on which one it crosses first is going to decide the direction. The fact that Tesla and Apple and Amazon, Tesla, Apple, and Amazon are red. I'm taking a put. Fuck am I waiting for? I already know what's about to happen. All right. Puts is 49 cents. See what I tell you? Just like that. We broke the pink line. We broke the white line. already up 30%. What was that, 60 seconds? I'm telling y'all, in and out. I like to be in and out. In and out. We don't got no time to wait. We not playing with these stocks, bro. I don't care about this stock. I don't care which direction it goes. I care about the green. As soon as I see green, I'm gone. Get green, get gone. And people be holding, they be trying to figure out how long they got, what's the direction. Bro, forget all of that. Pick the direction, be right, go green, get out. Because anything can happen at a drop of a hat. I'm all about protect the capital first. Protect capital first, make more plays later. That's as simple as I could put it. And you see all this bouncing we got going on? It just went green. I don't got time for this back and forth. Like, let me get my pennies, and then you can do all of this choppy chopperton. Again, that was a beautiful move. That was a beautiful, nice little catch right there. Nice little catch. But yeah, like I said, with the fact that Tesla, Amazon, and Apple and Palantir are all red, best believe we're going to get some more downside on the S&P 500 and on the SPY. It's just to be expected. Time is it? 12:30? Shit. Okay, Amazon. Last 3 minutes, it said we ain't going out like no hoe today, gang. Let's see. High 273. Where did it open at today? 273? She. Look like Amazon might try to go back to 273. First, we got to clear VWAP. 269 is the number. If we hit 269, what is that? 269, more like 270, 269.75, about $1 away. All right, looks like some of the market is starting to turn green too, and that might be what's encouraging all of this. I don't know, man. We still got a lot. Apple, Red, Sony, Spotify. There's a lot of red in here though. But everything's going green. I'm not saying everything's going green, but things are starting to try and uptick a little bit. You know what I mean? My language. See, there's that dip on the S&P 500. See, there we go. There we go. I told you. I literally just said, I don't know. There's a lot of red going on all over the place. I think everything's going to drop a little bit. What happened? Everything just dropped a little bit. Instead of bouncing between charts, I should have just held that SPY position for real, for real. Matter of fact, look, let's just get back in these 772 puts because we about to break this green line next. Place the order for 55 cents. Ooh, it might not feel. Might be a good thing. I just canceled that order. Low-key, I'm chasing, but for kind of, I won't say for good reason. I'm chasing. I seen that big candle. I mean, I'm chasing, but I'm not because I was prepared for that move. I just didn't get in before it happened, right? So the fact that I'm trying to position myself as I seen what I was prepared for happening, I'm a little late to the party. And I'm still trying to get in for the same price as everybody who got the pre-sale tickets, pretty much. This is the easiest way to look at this right now. And it's like, even if I do convince them to let me in the party for that price, or if I pay a little bit more, once I get inside, the party might almost be over. And that's why I'm a little like, should I even do this? The party about to be over, gang. Yeah, I'm going to just stay out. The safe bet is to stay out. Even though I seen that shit coming from a mile away. I seen that coming, bro. I knew it was about to happen. Oh, we went in between the pink and the white for a minute. This right here is telling a story I don't like. Wow. Complete opposite. Wow. That's crazy. That's a crazy candle right there if I ever did see one. Damn it, gang. Gave back all my gains. Just gave them all back. Honestly, might just call today a scratch day. Because even the plays that I did take didn't do what I wanted. Not completely. They started to, but there was no continuation. Like, I was literally taking 30 and 50 cent pops and pocketing them. I need some dollar drops. And I came in a little late on the session, so there's also that to be aware of. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my attention towards some other things for a minute. We'll still be here.